こんにちは。皆さん元気ですか？ Hello everyone. How are you? 元気ですか？ How should you answer? 元気です。I'm fine. 元気ですか？ How are you? 元気です。I'm fine. 元気ですか？元気です。So today is a vocabulary. First lesson 1. So today is we will learn about family. Family. Family, how do you say family in Japanese? Family. 家族。家族。家族。Have you already learned? Or ひらがな? ひらがな46. 1 month you can learn. So, 家族。家族 is family. So, family name. We have a lot of family name. So, let's learn the vocabulary about family. 家族. So, from here, お母さん means mother. お母さん means mother. And also we can say 母. 母 is my mother. Only my mother we can say 母. So, if I say お母さん for my mother, is it wrong? No, it is not wrong. You can say お母さん my mother 私のお母さん also correct, but it's way more younger speech, which means very cute if you say お母さん for my mother. It's like a kids. So if you want speak like adult, like formal, is 母 母は主婦です My mother is housewife. So 母 But if you say 母 is only for my mother, you cannot say somebody's mother. So mothers in general or somebody's mother is お母さん Because I think you're not kids, you're not baby, so you don't want to speak like a baby, like a kid. So when you introduce your mother, you will say 母は something. My mother is something. So you don't need to say 私の母 because 母 describe only my mother, so which means you don't need to say 私の my mother 母私の母 It is not wrong again, but it's just not necessary to say 私の母 It's just long. You can just say 母 It's more simple, easy. 母は something. Or, how is your mom? How about your mom? お母さんはどうですか? How is your mother? So, お母さん Mother in general and somebody's mother or your mother お母さん The same things you can say お父さん also somebody's father and your father お父さんお父さん And my father will be 父父は会社員です My father is an office worker 父は会社員ですお姉さん also the same Your older sister is お姉さん Older sister, how is your older sister? Or somebody's older sister is something, for example. Then somebody's older sister or your older sister, which is everything we respect your family. That's why we put san, which means Mr. Miss. So you don't need to respect your family because that's the Japanese culture. Me and my company and my family, all these things, humbly we speak, and the other society or other people we respect. So your family is like lower than the other family. So we speak humbly. That's Japanese culture. It's all these things polite, casual. We have a very different way to speak. This is Japanese culture because we respect the other people and we speak about ourselves very humbly. So, okay? So that's お姉さん older, sorry. or お姉さん older sister and my older sister will be 姉。姉は医者です。My older sister is a doctor. 姉は my older sister. And お兄さん also the same. Your older brother. Your older brother and my older brother. お兄さん、兄。妹、弟 actually it's almost same. But actually we can say other younger brother or younger sister. You can say if you want to speak politely. 妹さん You can add this son as like Mr. Miss. 妹さん、弟さん。妹さんは元気ですか？妹さんは元気ですか？ Your younger sister is okay, fine. How's your younger sister? 妹さんは元気ですか？ Then my younger sister, you can cut son, 妹。And 弟さん or 弟。My younger brother. Younger sister, younger brother. 妹さん、弟さん and 妹、弟。Okay? So here is a little bit extra name for the family. いとこ。いとこ is cousin. いとこ cousin. And いとこ your いとこ we don't use very often like いとこさん we don't say いとこさんおさんいとこさん you can say いとこさん if you want but not so common yeah いとこいとこはこれ私のいとこです this is my cousin いとこです yeah and おじいさんおばあさん is generally grandfathers and grandmothers. And my grandfather and grandfather, we say 祖父、祖母 The same things. 父、母、姉、兄 My grandfather and my grandmother, we say 祖父、祖母 Grandfather and grandmother.And your grandmother and grandfather, we say おじいさん and おばあさん So おばあさん is grandmothers and grandfathers And my grandfather is 祖父 and grandmother, my grandmother is 祖母 Okay? おじさんおばさん is uncle, aunt Okay? This is おじ is my uncle おば is my aunt.And your or somebody's uncle is おじさん and your and somebody's aunt is おばさん Okay? おじさん、おじ、おばさん、おば親戚 is relatives All relatives that you have connection with the blood These are all 親戚 So, if like a little bit like complicated like mothers, brothers, and then something, we say everything. 親戚。親戚です。あの人は that person is my 親戚。And then done. You don't need to speak like a detail. Yeah. Yeah, 親戚 then can be done, everything. So, 息子 is my son. 娘 is my daughter.And if you want to speak politely, your son and your daughter will be, you can say 息子さん and 娘さん So it's like this 妹さん you can say somebody's 弟さん somebody's 息子さん somebody's 娘さん somebody's my son and daughter you can cut Okay?So, how was it? This is a 家族 family name. So, from today, you can make introduction about your family. お母さんは like 母は my mother's 母は something. Okay? So, let's make some sentences a little quickly.So now you can make the introduction for your family. For example, I made example sentences. 母は主婦です。My mother is a housewife. So do you remember this what for subject topic? What you want to talk about is my mother. So my mother is something. My mother do something. My mother whatever. I want to talk about my mother. So you will say 母は start. Okay, that's my mother. Somebody's mother is お母さん。Okay? 母は主婦です。My mother is a housewife. 父は会社員です。My father is an office worker. 妹は高校生です。My younger sister is a high school student. 高校生 is a high school student. 会社員 office worker 主婦 housewife. 兄は大学生です。My older brother is a university student. 大学生。And this is a little bit different sentence. お兄さんは元気ですか？ How is your older brother? This is a question. So, 兄 was my older brother. But お兄さん then your older brother. So, how is your older brother? Is it good? Is fine? Yes. How are you? So, this is how is your young older brother. Okay. お兄さんは元気ですか？ So, today we made some sentences and learned vocabulary about family. Okay, how was it? So, if you have any question, you can comment in our membership program. And also, if you don't remember how to use this wa, you can check the video particle wa. Okay? 頑張りましょう。
Like the wind running free, we were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions,